Hello, my name is Canh. I study at Faculty of Natural Resources and Environment, Vietnam National University of Agriculture. I will Miss Thuy at Group Z. Today we will begin our presentation with the topic the change on the consuming habits of Vietnamese youth to deal with microplastic pollution. Now I will start my part of presentation. As you know, in the 21st century, the environment in Vietnam has been facing with a large number of challenges and threats. Seas and oceans on Earth have been suffering from plastic pollution, not only air pollution from chimneys, water pollution from sewage drains, or even these pollutants in soil, but plastic wastes are dominating the surface of the Earth day by day. Most of the products we use today have plastic cells, including plastic bag, plastic bottle, or even plastic lunchboxes. The abuse of using plastic products directs to the generation of microplastics in the environment. Plastic products are so popular because of their durability, lightness, convenience, and especially low cost. However, due to their high mechanical strength, plastic products are difficult to decompose. They will persist in nature from year to year. Sea turtles, seabirds, and other creatures living in marine and coastal environments have been trapped by plastic waste traps that make it difficult for them to move and breathe. In June 2019, I joined the volunteer team of the Faculty of Natural Resources and Environment to make a 14-day trip at Quảng Sương District, Thanh Hóa Province to clean up 5 kilometers of coastline, where a large amount of plastic was come from many sources. Plastic waste that is mainly plastic bottles, plastic bags, floats, or even hazardous plastic waste. The marine environment then became cleaner. People felt more safe when they went there to take a vacation. After a long day cleaning up coastline, we made a campaign to spread to all local people that the slogan, Marine Environment Without Plastic Waste. Besides plastic waste, microplastics are an issue of concern all over the world. So what is microplastic? Code et al. 2011, Loss et al. 2017 together introduced the concept that microplastic, often known as plastic particles less than 5 mm in length, because of this size, easily goes to live body via food chains. Whenever microplastics survives in marine environments and other organisms, they can easily absorb accumulated toxins that stick on the surface of living creatures and exist there. Microplastics, commonly classified by the shapes, may be fibers, fragments, particles, etc. Pictures below showing the different forms of microplastic in the environment. The major microplastics are very small in size that can be observed with naked eye. They are just observed under microplastic or even a special band. But the absorption and hydrophobic properties, the characteristic to which molecules tend to agglomerate due to the absence of gravity, forming a weight insoluble. Microplastic easily attach to substances in food chain. As a result, living marine creatures can mistake microplastic for their food. Of the articles and magazines I have read that are published in the world, I would like to introduce the two articles that interest me the most about microplastic. First is the research in 2019 of Barbosa and al. Microplastic invites fish from Northeast Atlantic Ocean and its potential for causing neurotoxic effects, lipid oxidative damage, and human health risks associated with ingestion exposure. This is some results that I read. Some significant results shows analysis 150 species of fish, 49% has microplastic. In fish from 3 species, microplastic in the gastrointestinal tract, gills, and dorsal muscle were found. From the 150 fish analysis, 32% had microplastic in dorsal muscle, with a total mean 0.054 plus minus 0.099 microplastic items per gram. The second is the research in 2021 of the ZTO and et al. Microplastic in fish and fish meal, an emerging environmental challenge. There is some significant results. The author made research on fish meal. They used Raman spectroscopy to determine the size and types of microplastics. The recovery rate of a range of those microplastics from whitefish fish meal sample was 71.3 plus minus 1.2%. That are all my part of the presentation. Thank you so much for listening. Now Ms. Thuy will present the next part. Thank you.
Thanks for your invitation. Hello, my name is Thuy, and now I will continue our group presentation in the part number 4, 5, and 6. Currently, the young generation in Vietnam is witnessing the worst environmental and ecological change caused by plastic and microplastic. This situation reduces the quality of life and affects the development of future generations dramatically. Therefore, they are more knowledgeable and quickly approach new thinking about the green lifestyle. The no plastic change has gradually become the most popular lifestyle that Vietnamese Jews aim for. They are now used to using clothing sopping dish, metal straw and glass straw, the bamboo toothbrush, and drinking personal water, bottles, and straw when going out. The youth now pay more attention to the environment through actively participating in environmental protection activities, such as cleaning up the garbage in residential areas, beaches, or mobilizing people to limit using of plastic bags. Moreover, even students are active and creative when creating projects and websites to convey information related to plastic waste, microplastic pollution. Calling for action by the community, such as Reaching Plastic Vietnam organization, Green Life Facebook page, Eco Fair Facebook page and website, etc. In addition, almost famous Vietnamese artists and influencers are also enthusiastic in changing consumption habits to reduce plastic waste and spread this lifestyle with their followers. They have taken part in making and officially releasing the video No Thanks on YouTube and Facebook page of Change, a non-governmental and non-profit organization of Vietnam Union of Science and Technology Association. The campaign No Thanks launched by Change creatively combines fashion and music to bring the message of protecting the earth, saying no with single-use plastic products to be closer to the youth. Remarkably, in recent years, the Vietnamese Jews have had many startup projects from garbage, such as making sure with coffee residue built from industrial garbage and filling station. For example, Come Here Refill Station Aston, an all made from environmentally friendly material. Specifically, co-commercial products must completely say no to single-use plastic packaging. And this refill station also pioneered working with suppliers that are geographically closest to the store in order to minimize the amount of carbon dioxide released using transportation. Besides that, another startup company, Truic, has launched a new product line, sports shoe, made from coffee residue, using scan fit technology to measure and tailor a urban style shoe for customers. They have researched and developed making shoes so from coffee residue and recycled hard plastic to have a complete sneaker. However, the popularization of no plastic consumption still has to face a number of challenges. About 2 years ago, many restaurants, supermarkets, and coffee shops switched to using environmentally friendly packaging products. However, nowadays, they have to keep up because of the limited supply source, and the cost of them is more expensive than plastic bags. Many, many environmental experts said that to spread the green consumption to the community is not advisable to rely on nature because of if only the land and stone are exploited to make eco-friendly products without any planting plan, it will direct the greater consequences. In addition, people do not the habit to paying for packaging products, and the low cost and convenience of shopping without carrying a bag is one of the reasons why it is difficult to reduce the plastic waste. Additionally, if only stopping at advocacy and encouragement without the support of policy and capital for business, very few enterprises can participate in green production. Actually, a system of policies to support the reuse and recycling of solid waste, including plastic waste, has basically been built in Vietnam, including a policy of classifying solid waste as work, creating input material, production support, and policy to encouragement consumption of recycled products. However, the above policy system is still incomplete and has many shortcomings, not promoting reuse and recycling of solid waste effectively. To overcome the problem of plastic waste in Vietnam, here are list some possible solutions are put on consideration. First of all, environmentally friendly products should be widely sold at convenience stores, and these products need to be recognized as meeting the quality standards of the listening authority to be introduced product to consumer easily. And the consumer must also consume responsibly because when a huge consumer are using them, it will contribute to reduce cost and promoting production. The following policy measures are intended to induce a behavioral change toward consumer choice that enable better waste management and recovery and at the same time increase market demand for an efficient alternative product. Firstly, offer incentives for innovative new products to promote more sustainable or plastic-free alternatives. Secondly, create a labeling mechanism to promote better choice for consumers. And thirdly is consider reducing unnecessary single-use plastic consumption in supermarket and local market. I also think that it is necessary to have a roadmap solutions to attract investment and technology in reduce, enhance the ability to reuse and recycle plastic waste section, use materials to replace plastic bag and disposable plastic product. Accordingly, we highly recommend that the government needs to have specifically support policies for the development of new and environmentally friendly products and to enhance the people awareness of environmental issues, especially plastic waste and nylon products. Because when the consumer and producer participate together, they will contribute to bringing substitute products to reasonable price and easily to scale up. There are reference and thank you for listening.